Microsoft just dropped a silent emergency update for Windows 11. And if your PC was stuck on updating, this might be the fix you've been waiting for. We're talking about KB5086672, released March 31st, 2026. And this is not a regular patch Tuesday update. It's an out-of-band hotfix, meaning something broke badly. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sudama Lab. So let's break it down. This update targets Windows 11 24H2 and Windows 11 25H2 and upgrades your system to build 26100.8117 and build number 26200.8117. This is a cumulative update, so it includes all previous security fixes, all merge updates, plus one critical fix. So here is what happens. Microsoft released a March 26 preview update KB5079391, and it completely broke installation on many PCs. Users started seeing this error: some update files are missing, error code 0x800737112. And worse, update got stuck in install loops, system couldn't complete updates, some users couldn't move forward at all. Microsoft had to literally pull the update globally. This emergency patch does one main thing, but it's huge. Resolves 0x800737112 error, stops update loops, repairs missing or corrupt updates files issues. Basically, your Windows update system is back to normal. Here is the interesting part. Even though it's a fixed update, it also includes everything from the cancelled merge update, new system improvements, performance tweaks, feature updates that rolled out gradually. So you're not losing anything. You're actually getting the full package safely. Here's the simple rule. Install it if you had update failures recently. You saw the error 0x800737112. Your system is stuck updating. You can skip if your PC already installed the merged preview update successfully, because this is a fixed version of that update. Now how to get it? You have two options, and click check for updates. And if you want to download manually, go to Microsoft Update Catalog and search it for the build, and it's recommended for IT users and advanced installs. Now let me tell you why this update matters. Here's the real trick. When a Windows update breaks, your system can receive future security updates. That's a serious risk. So even though it looks a small patch, it actually affects critical system level issues. If your Windows update is broken, this is your fix. Did your PC get stuck on the update recently? Drop your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe, because I'll keep updated before Windows breaks your system again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.